Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test on this iQOO Z3 device after updating to the latest version. So as friends, just before a couple of hours, I did receive the latest update in the iQOO Z3 device, and after the update, every time there will be a couple of changes, advantages and disadvantages. But let's check what is the Antutu benchmark score after the recent update. That is what I'm going to show you, and it is another updated video, friends. Make sure to check this video in case if you want to know more details about what is the features and what are the bugs got fixed. So make sure to watch this 4G test as well, which I did just uploaded right now. That will be really interesting test to know. Let me quickly show you exactly what kind of software version I'm trying to run. So the software version which I'm running is a 1.76.2. so before it is 1.75.1, something like that, but now it's kind of slightly updated. And this is the exact variant which I'm trying to use. Is the external RAM capabilities while doing this Antutu benchmark test. 8GB plus 3GB, as you can see. This same kind of settings I'm going to use, like 120 FPS refresh rate and 70% brightness. I'll try to select during this time of demonstration. So 70% brightness should be kind of okay. So 50 should be here, 60 and 70, as you can see, friends. So now let me try to open the Antutu benchmark application here, and meanwhile I'll try to check even the temperatures, how much the temperatures are increasing during this time. And the highest I did see the Antutu benchmark score was about 4,49,000. That is the highest I did see in this phone, in the iQOO Z3 device, but it never crossed 4,50,000. I was waiting for that 4,50,000 to cross, but till now it did not even cross that mark. So I did disable the Wi-Fi and the 4G connection, everything is turned off, and the battery percentage is about 50% in case if you want to check how much the battery percentage is off. So right now the temperature is not much, it's only 33 degrees. My room temperature is 30 degrees only, as you can see, 30 degrees. It's not that much high, 30 and 33. 30 and 33, as you can see, friends. So it's not that high in terms of the temperatures. So after the software update, there are a couple of things that has been changed in this phone. So one major change is that connection got slightly stable. Yes, the 4G connections are slightly improved in this phone after the recent software update. So that is what the video this is about. So try to check this video, friends, in case if you are having any other doubts regarding the 4G connectivity. This video will give you the clear idea. A lot of viewers are already watched and they are really liking that video. So make sure to check that video. That's a really good news for the iQOO users particularly. Hopefully we will get that kind of fix as well in terms of the 4G connectivity. That is what a lot of users are hoping for. So let's see in this test how much scores we can actually get in this phone. That is what I'm trying to see. One of the main advantages of this phone is that temperatures will not increase much higher. So before it did not even increase more than 40 degrees, but right now it increases to 35 degrees right now. Let's see what will be the highest score in terms of the Antutu and in terms of the temperatures as well. That is what I'll try to focus. So again, I'll be back after some time after continuing this kind of Antutu benchmark test. So right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to 66% exactly. And let's check the temperature, how much it is. The battery dropped to 48% as well meanwhile. And temperature increased by 37 degrees, as you can see. So 37 degrees right now and 36 degrees as well on the back side. You can see the difference between the temperatures. It's not that much higher, but 37 is the maximum recorded temperature. But let's see, friends, how much the Antutu benchmark score will be recorded in this iQOO Z3 device, which is very interesting to see the results. So that is what I was waiting for in this kind of test comparison. So right now it's 74%. So I'll try to do plenty of comparison, friends, in terms of the 4G connectivity, because I did like the 4G plus signals in this phone. So it's really good. The 4G plus is really improved in this phone. I'll definitely do plenty of comparison with other smartphones as well in terms of the 4G. So the main reason is because before I did have this kind of conclusion that iQOO devices are not that good in terms of the connectivity wise. But let's see with this kind of update whether the things will be changing or not on this iQOO Z3's flavor. That is what I'm going to test. Right now 78 degrees. Let's say the backside temperature. Backside is not that high, it's only pretty normal, 34 and 33, 35. It's not that high. 35 degrees, as you can see, friends, clearly. 36.8. 36.8 is the highest recorded temperature, not much. So right now it's off 82%. Let's see, friends, how much benchmark score we can actually expect. This Snapdragon 768G is really kind of close to powerful, friends, but the pricing is only the real concern about this phone. The pricing is too much for this iQOO Z3 device. It's really odd for me to convince the people, like it's really odd to recommend this phone particularly. So there's only one point where the iQOO phones really shines in terms of the performance. So whatever the company they claim, we'll get that kind of exactly same kind of performance. Yes. So same thing happened with the iQOO 7 as well. They said we'll get about 7 lakhs plus Android benchmark score, and I'm getting same Android benchmark score and same kind of touch sampling rate as it is what they announced. The same thing I did expect in the iQOO Z3 as well, and the results are also close to that expectations, 4 lakhs 50,000. So highest, as I said, 4 lakhs 49,000 is the highest benchmarks I have seen in this iQOO Z3 device. So comment below, friends, in case if you have any other kind of highest score in your smartphone. What is the highest Android benchmark score? That is what I want to see. As you can see, friends, the results are quite shocking. The complete score got decreased. As you can see, friends, 4 lakhs 29,000 I got the score right now. As you can see, I'll try to compare which got decreased, CPU or the GPU, whether these two got decreased. So mainly I'll try to focus only the CPU and the GPU. That is the main thing for every smartphone. Let me try to take the screenshot. I'm trying to take the screenshot every time I do the testing. I'll try to write down as well after the software update. That is, in that way you'll be get to know how is what type of score belongs to when what type of situation. So let me write down the thing after software update 1. I'm trying to specify as well, because we will receive so many software updates in the future. That is what I'm trying to do right now, giving the specific exactly value. So this is the first time I did the testing, friends, Android benchmark test after the software update 1. So let me try to quickly compare with the previous screenshot which I got right now. Let me try to quickly open the screenshots. So here's a benchmarks folder which is I did dedicate completely for the Android benchmarks folder only, friends, as you can see here. So these are the complete screenshots. Let me try to quickly open the screenshot which are taken today. It should be somewhere around here. Yes, here is the screenshot. So 4 lakhs 29,000, which is the after software update, as you can see, friends, after software update. Let me try to show you the screenshot which are taken on the day 1. This is day 1 screenshot, as you can see, 4 lakhs 49,000. And this is another highest score which I got, 4 lakhs 49,000, which I did mention. And this below 10% when I did the Android benchmark test. And this without external RAM. And this is software update. As you can see, CPU and the GPU. Let's observe the CPU and the GPU. CPU 1,13,000 and 1,26,000 without external RAM, friends. So right now in this video I did enable the external RAM. I'm not sure even with the external RAM I did get the slow performance results. That's quite shocking, maybe with something to do with this kind of update. So maybe the update did decrease the performance, I think so, but I'm not sure exactly. So that must be the reason. CPU, you can see CPU 1,26,000 before, 1,29,000 before, 1,26,000, 1,29,000, 1,27,000, 1,27,000. As you can see, friends, clearly it's about completely over 1,25,000 only, but right now I'm getting only 1,13,000 after the software update 1. As you can see, this is the first time I'm doing Android benchmark test. I'll try to do the multiple times and I'll try to check. And the GPU, that's shocking. GPU, there's nothing going to change. You can see the GPU same, but only the CPU score decreased. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between the old Android 2 and the now Android 2 after the update. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates on this iQOO Z3, which I'll be keep on posting. And see you in the next video. Until then, bye.